Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting two of Amazon's best-selling toaster oven head-to-head. The Hamilton Beach Easy Reach 4-slice versus the Black Decker 4-slice toaster oven. Both promise great results, compact design and affordable pricing, but which one deserves a spot in your kitchen? Let's find out. Overview and price. First up, the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach 4-slice countertop toaster oven, a compact, smartly designed appliance priced around $66.41 on Amazon. Its unique roll-top door makes it super easy to access your food and saves counter space. On the other hand, the Black Decker 4-slice toaster oven TO1745 SSG 1A comes in at about $65 and features convection heating with the brand's signature even toast technology for better heat distribution. Feature and design. The Hamilton Beach is all about simplicity. It offers 3 cooking modes: bake, broil and toast. It fits up to 4 slices of bread or a 9-inch pizza, perfect for small meals and snacks. Its standout features: that roll top door which opens upward, no more reaching over a hot surface. The Black Decker model, however, brings more versatility. You get 4 functions: bake, broil, toast and keep warm, along with natural convection technology for more even cooking results. The design is classic with a drop-down door and it fits the same capacity for slices or a 9-inch pizza. Performance and ease of use. In real-world use, the Hamilton Beach is straightforward. You just twist the knob and go. It heats up quickly and does well for toast, small pizzas and reheating leftover. However, user reports slightly uneven toasting compared to convection models. The Black Decker performs better when it comes to even heat distribution thanks to the convection fan. It bakes snacks and mini meals faster and more evenly. Cleanup is easy for both, but the Hamilton Beach's upward opening door keeps crumbs off the counter, which is a neat bonus. Verdict: which one to buy? So which one should you buy? If you want simplicity, compact design and budget-friendly performance, the Hamilton Beach Easy Reach is a great everyday toaster oven, perfect for apartment students or anyone with limited space. But if you are looking for better cooking performance and more flexibility, the Black Decker 4-slice toaster oven gives you extra features like convection, baking and more consistent results for about the same price. For quick breakfast, both are winners, but if you plan to cook more than just toast, go with the Black Decker. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this kitchen showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more honest appliance comparison. Comment below which toaster oven would you pick, Hamilton Beach or Black Decker.